Here's how to restore WhatsApp messages. Now, I have my iPhone as well as my Android. I'm going to show you on both devices how to restore those WhatsApp messages, maybe if they were accidentally deleted or you just don't have the messages on there and you wanted to get them back. First, let's check the backups on the WhatsApp app, again on iPhone or Android. So on iPhone, tap on the U button at the bottom right, and then scroll down and tap on Chats. However, on Android, you're going to tap on the three dots at the top right, and then tap on Settings at the bottom, and scroll down and tap on Chats. Now from here, you're looking for Chat Backup. So scroll down and tap on Chat Backup here, again on iPhone or Android, and you can see the latest backup on my iPhone was today. However, on Android, it was in May. Now let's go through the process of restoring all of those messages to that backup. What we're going to do is hop out of here, again on either device, press and hold on the device or the app on your iPhone, and hit Remove App and Delete App. However, if you're on Android, you can just press and hold on the app and tap Uninstall, and then choose to uninstall. Do not select Keep My App Data because we're going to just restore it. So just hit Uninstall. After you've done that, again on iPhone or Android, head into the App Store or Google Play Store, and you're going to search for WhatsApp and download and install it. So let me go through that process and I'll show you exactly how it works to be able to restore to that backup. So download and install it again on either device here. And the iPhone is already done, so let's open it up. And from here, tap on Agree and Continue and Continue. Now the nice thing is when you enter in your phone number here, it will automatically detect that there's a backup on here and ask you if you wanted to restore to that backup. So you can see restore from your iCloud, and it has the date and the total size. All you need to do is tap on restore. The process is the exact same on Android. Again, you just go through this process and enter in your phone number on here and then just allow it to restore all of those messages from the backup. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.